If the washer in your washer-dryer combo is making a loud noise, here are the 6 most probable causes. The tub bearing keeps the inner tub spinning smoothly, but if the bearing wears out, the washer can become very noisy. For some models, replacing the tub bearing itself can be difficult. As an alternative, you can install a new outer tub assembly already fitted with the new bearing. The suspension springs help to absorb the movement of the washer tub. If a spring breaks, the tub may become unbalanced, resulting in noisy operation. You can replace just the broken spring to fix the problem, although we recommend replacing all of the springs at the same time. Shock absorbers dampen the vibration of the tub on washer-dryer combos using a front-load washer. A worn or damaged shock absorber can result in the washer shaking or vibrating and running noisily. We recommend replacing all of the shock absorbers at the same time to maintain optimum operation. While washer motors are normally very quiet during operation, the motor can run loudly if the bearings are worn out. Try running the motor without the belt or coupler attached to determine if the motor is the source of the noise. If the washer is making a loud squeaking sound during the drain cycle, the drain pump might be defective or clogged with debris. If the pump is free of obstructions but continues to make noise, you should replace it with a new one. If the washer makes a shuddering or knocking sound during the fill cycle, then the water inlet valve may be at fault. Mineral deposits can build up in the valve, creating a restriction that causes the noise. A restricted valve should be replaced. Attempting to clean the old valve is not recommended, since that could make the part more likely to fail. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.